Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth video of my Python Basics tutorial series. If you haven't seen the previous episodes, then go and check them out. The playlist link is in the description. Today we'll be learning about user input. Now, user input allows the user of the program to type something in, and then we can use the data that they typed in the program. So let's get programming. So the first thing you want to do is open up idle. Then you want to go to File, New File, and here we go. Okay, so now we can type in input. What is your name? And save it. Okay, now if we go to run module, you can see what is your name? My name is Caleb. And there we go, we've just got user input. Okay, so how do we actually do input? Well, we type in this input statement. So we type in input, then brackets right next to it. Then inside that, we have speech marks, and then what we want to ask as like the question. Now at the moment, it's not very useful, is it? So what we can do is we can convert this into a variable by typing name equals input. So now we've just created a variable called name, and inside this variable is this input statement. And we can do print hello name. And then if we save it, run it, what is your name? My name's Caleb. Hello Caleb. Now we can also do age equals input. How old are you? Make sure to get the space in the end just so it looks nicer. And we can do hello name, comma, full stop, you are age, years old, closing speech marks. Now, if we run it, what is your name? My name is Caleb. How old are you? I am 13. Hello Caleb, you are 13 years old, and we've got bad formatting. We can just get rid of this. We can actually use a plus there, because we do not want a space in between the name and the full stop. What is your name? Caleb. How old are you? I am 13. Hello Caleb, you are 13 years old. So now for some challenges for you to do by yourself. Have two variables that both contain inputs, and they each get one number. Then using the skills we have learned in the last videos, print out the variables added together. Secondly, have two input variables that ask for two words, and then print them out together in one print statement. And thirdly, have three input variables asking different questions, and then print your answers were, and then all the answers you inputted in one print statement. So that's all for today, guys. I know it was quite a short and simple one. Make sure to stay tuned for the next tutorial by subscribing and hitting the bell so you won't miss the next episode. Also drop a like if this helped you out, it helps me out a lot. If you have any questions about Python or need some help with any errors, be sure to leave it in the comment section below. I'll be sure to help you out. Any suggestions or feedback would be greatly appreciated as well. Thanks for watching.